Hello traders, welcome to my channel. It's been a long break, so let's get started right away. Today I am seeing a good fall. I've already done a Bank Nifty March future short. As you can see, 1500 is a profit over there. So now I'm going to target selling 40,200 put. I'm going to sell 100 lots over here. I'm going to go with the market price. So our entry is 210. Our stop loss will be 25 points from here. So as you can see, we're already making some profit over here. I am going to target at least 30 points decay on the put of 40,200. So let's see how it goes. In addition to the short of 40,200, what I've also done is I've shorted 41,000. So Bank Nifty right now is at 40,540. So as it goes on in between, this too will probably decay quite a bit, but the stronger side being on the put. Now that Bank Nifty has given a good fall of over 700 points, I'm waiting for a little retracement, and I'll probably square this off and start shifting it once it crosses 160. Another short update, I have added one more call sell on the upper side at 41,200. Bank Nifty now is at 40,560, 570. So even if this expands, that's not a problem because this will decay more faster. It's already giving a profit of 2000 plus. And I've also bought a 23rd March call option over here of 41,500. So if this expands one-sided, this will cover any loss that this has to offer, or I might as well average up and short some more with this decaying very well. I'll wait for it to break 160, then I'll put the stop loss at 199 and 200. So even if it fires back down, I still have an exit of a profit of 1000 rupees on this. Let's see what happens. Okay traders, so the time is 10 o'clock, and I had shifted my put shorts from 4200 as it hit the stop loss at cost, and now I shorted 4300 put option. So my selling price was 243, 100 quantity, and my stop loss was 293 over here. So what happened after this breakdown and it came below VWAP, I've shifted the stop loss to cost. Now this is a zero loss trade, and the call options are also slightly in red, not that much, and the profit and loss statement is pretty decent, is above 3000. As you can see here, the put shorts are giving a good profit over here, slightly on the upper side at 4800. The call option that I shorted, that is 2 quantity, that is showing a loss of around 1300, 1200. So overall profit right now is above 3000. I will square off once this crosses 5 or 6000. I'll start trailing and start squaring it off. Okay traders, so it's 10:37 right now, and this was the point where I sold it at 243, and once it broke VWAP, I shifted stop loss to cost over here, and then I was waiting for a candle closing below this level. So once this closed over here, I shifted the stop loss to 227. Now this is not only a no loss trade, it is a profitable trade, and that is guaranteed. So I'm going to wait for this low to break now, and once this low breaks, I will shift the stop loss over here, which should be around 215 over here, right over here, 215 or 213. So then I'll keep trailing the stop loss as and when I see the opportunity of it falling. So let's see what happens. It's 10:38 right now. Okay traders, so the time is 2:18 exactly, and the profit has come down to around 2000 plus. So a lot of trades today, you could say slightly over trading. I have shorted based on the moves, and I'm expecting a little pump in Bank Nifty, probably a little above 4500. Let's see if that works out well. So if it does, then yes, this will probably go to 25 or let's say even 3000. So I'm looking for some decay far out of the money. Call options have been shorted. This was shorted at 156. The average looks something different. So I've just been moving it up and down, and it's been a crazy hectic day. So right now 2000 is the profit. I am going to square this off at 3 o'clock. Let's see what happens. Okay traders, I've just added another buy option to this trade. As you can see over here, I bought it at 339, 340 level. My stop loss will be at 311. Okay, I'm taking a 30-point risk over here. My first target will be 367 and the next target will be 395. The setup is very simple. It's declining. Yes, I know it's declining, but over here there is some buying, and when the selling comes, if you see the volume, the selling is not breaking the previous buy level over here, which is 328. So 328 can act as a support, and from here it can shoot up. Worst case scenario, I will be squaring off at 311, which I marked it over here. Let's see how this trade works out. Okay guys, so what happened on the previous trade of 40,400 call option? I got knocked out in the stop loss. Not an issue. So I've entered over here at 361 and my stop loss is 332 over here. So another 30 points, which would be 750 rupees per lot. So I'm expecting a short covering to come in. That's what my indicators are showing. I may be wrong, but it's not a problem. It's okay. All the gains for the day are lost. That's no issue for me. I'm still partially in green by around 400 rupees. So if this breaks, I'm expecting if this level is breached, then we could see 389 and then 419 in a short covering. So over 100 points move is what I'm expecting. I'm at least targeting to grab 60 points. Let's see. Okay traders, so what happened? Finally the gut feeling paid off, where I bought in over here and waited for this level to breach. Once it breached, I waited again and this candle closed over here. So I trailed my stop loss to 419, which was my target, and it went above that. It doesn't matter to me. So today's day is overall green. Let's go to the P&L report. Okay, so all trades exited for the day. The total, as you can see, is 3,985. This is a profit for today. Saved in the end because this had gone to minus 800, minus 900. The call that I took and the puts that I shorted worked in my favor, and it all went all the way up. So the call that I had bought was this one, 40,300 call option. Bought it at 361, exited at 419, the profit of 1423. And then the puts that I shorted, that gave a good profit, and this put was also in a big loss. So this also came into profit, so I exited it very early. I didn't want to hold on to it longer. All in all, a good day. Probably not my target, which I was hoping for, but it's a good profit overall. So let's just analyze what went wrong. What went wrong in my reading the market today. Here we are on the daily chart. The market is still, there's still a short covering coming in. So what I had initially seen that these are my lines which I draw. I'll explain it later in my other videos. So what I thought was there'll be a price action and it will start shooting up. So it did start shooting up. However, it the price action happened. It came here, but it didn't close above this or even above this, for which I was hoping a 47.50 finish would happen in this time frame. So instead it dropped, it went up again, it dropped. Very high volatility today, and very thankful to be coming out in green. See now, there's still some more coming up over here. That's pretty cool. So though the view went wrong, we still came out profitable, and I'm really thankful for that. So this is for today's intraday. I'll see you next on Monday.